Hey guys, Michael here with Oasis Home Buyers, and just really want to give you guys a quick tour of a house we just bought here in Hilliard. People will ask, hey, my house is probably a little bit too beat up. Man, this one had cats living in it after parents died, smokers for 70 years, really no updates for the last 30 plus years. You can see some mold down there and some other damages. We buy houses like this all the time. We are just a cash home buyer. We're here to make it easy on you guys. That is our whole goal. We love helping out the community. You can see this wallpaper here, this false brick here. That's what we're here to do, guys. So if you need to sell a house here in Columbus, Ohio, probate, family's owned it for 70 years, you really haven't done any updates, we're the go-to here. We'd love to help you out. We care about our community. Look at this green carpet. It's beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but I'd want that. So guys, if you need to sell your house here in Columbus, Ohio, you're going through probate, you inherited the house, we'd love to talk to you. Make it as easy. Appreciate you guys and hope you guys have a great day.